I understand, like, with the storyline this season, inherently it could be interpreted as a little meow, 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 meow.
There's been a lot of buzz over the photos that Raquel posted of the two of you here at Schwartz and Sandy's just the other night. So what was all of that about?
It was not meant to be a jab. It was not deliberate. It was not premeditated. I never want to do anything to hurt Kody. I still love her. And, you know, it wasn't malicious. It's not like, you know, we coordinated like, yeah, let's stir the pot a little bit. I think we were having a really good night. We were celebrating a milestone here, and she's like wanted to show some love. Of course, you know, I'm not completely naive. I understand, like, with the storyline this season, inherently it could be interpreted as a little meow, 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 meow. But, like, you know, it's just, I never do anything maliciously. Maybe from time to time I can be careless or slightly inconsiderate, but, you know, in regards to Kody, you know, I never want to hurt her. It was never my intention, and you know, given everything that we've been through, I feel like we're on pretty good terms. You know? Yeah. I think we're on pretty good terms.
Love to hear that.
Yeah.
So, what's your reaction to Kody and Stassi commenting on the post?
Oh, I saw that. You know?
I think it's a little weird that, like, Kody, like, follows Raquel and, like, is, like, reading through comments and stuff. Like, I don't know.
Part of me is like, listen, I'm not too self-righteous to appreciate some good tea. I like some gossip. Kody, she kind of taught me that it's okay to lean into it from time to time, but also, like, I'm just very wary of thriving off of comments, diving into the comments section. You know what I mean? It's like, but we all succumb to it sometimes. You know what I mean? Like, I saw a few comments, like, for the past. This is our third episode tonight. I saw a few comments that, like, it hurts when you see something that was so special to you, which was my marriage and my relationship to Kody. It wasn't perfect, but it was a rich, complex, you know, complicated relationship, and to see it just be, like, reduced or belittled into, like, 240 characters, sometimes it does hurt a little bit. You know what I mean?